Today we are going to learn about collective nouns. A collective noun is the word used to represent a group of people, animals or things considered as a single unit. Just like we say a bunch of grapes, a choir of singers, a flock of birds. Here are some more words which we can use as collective nouns when we talk about people, animals and things. We can use words like group, crowd, team, gang, board, jury, class when we talk about people as collective nouns. We can use words like herd, flock, swarm, pack, pride, nest, gaggle when we use words for animals. For things, we can use words like bunch, pile, set, group, series, collection to represent the collective nouns. Here are some more collective noun words used for people, animals and things. There are a number of collective noun lists which you can go through and learn more and more words used for people, animals and things as collective nouns. Now let's practice this exercise which is given in your book on page 120. The exercise says fill in each blank with the correct collective noun from those given. There is a list of words given which can be used as a group word. To complete the sentence, we have to use one word to form a collective noun sentence. To help you work out the exercise, I have given the word names according to their groups, which will help you in completing the exercise. Now let's check the answers of the exercise that you've already solved. The first is crew, the second answer is audience, the third answer is committee, the fourth answer is public, the fifth answer is pile, the sixth answer is shoal, the seventh answer is class, the eighth answer is herd, the ninth answer is crowd, and the last answer is gang. Now let's work out the last exercise of your book which says match the explanations in the first column with the nouns in the second column. In the first column there are some list of things given which you have to match with the noun word in the second column. Let's work out and see how well you are able to solve this exercise. Now let's match the groups that you've already worked out. This is what's given in your book, the list of things which you have to match with the noun word. Now let's check the answers. The first list is trunks and suitcases taken on a journey, and the noun word is luggage. The second list is knives, forks and spoons, and the noun word is cutlery. The third list is tables, chairs, beds and cupboards, and the noun word is furniture. The fourth list is earthenware, cups, plates, pots and dishes, and the noun word is crockery. The fifth list is cushion and chair covers, and the noun word is upholstery. The sixth list is stockings and socks, and the noun word is hosiery. The seventh list is writing instruments and materials, and the noun word is stationery. The eighth list is people in a riot, and the noun word is mob. The ninth list is people employed at a place, and the noun word is staff. And the last list is people at worship, and the noun word is congregation. Hope you've got most of your answers correct. Keep practicing and learn more and more collective nouns.